All right, just go ahead and record. I haven't even zoomed out. Anyway, Llama, Crow Llama, my friend, your friend, everybody's friend. Llama will keep what we got. QR code will change what we got. Oh. Changing what we got. The llama has spoken, so now we have a new set. Okay, I caught that. Didn't mean to catch it. 4. Old, dirty, beat up Kwikset. Looks like it got, you know, kicked down the road. Don't remember exactly where I got this from. I got a lot of Kwiksets. 40,000s and a 5 peak rake. Should be able to get into this. Into this rough looking Kwikset. There it is. Keep on rolling, baby.